2-1. Swung on and lifted to center field. DiTomaso going back into his left, and he makes the grab to Smith. He's not going to get there. It rolls all the way to the corner in left center. Harlan's on his way home. He's going to score with ease. The throw from Johnson. First pitch. DiTomaso smacks it in the air to the right side. Going back is Guadalupe and D'Amato, and it'll be payoff pitch. Backstrom swings and misses. Strike 3. Left is Masterman. He's not going to get there. It hits the base of the wall. Coming home and scoring is O'Brien and D'Amato. The pitch. Smith grounds one to the left side. Fielded cleanly by Roby Jr. Tossed to second for one and on to first. Here's got a hit. 2-2 pitch. Curveball field. On his way to third is Keenan O'Brien. The throw from LaPred to Harlan to third is not in time. Masterman, first pitch, runner goes. Pitch called strike, and sliding into second, Backstrom. Swung on and a grounder, hot shot over to second. Picked up by Harlan. Throw to right field. Just barely stayed fair. DiTomaso running to second, and he's in for a stand-up double. Pre-surgery. 1-0. As that one is lifted in the air, right side in foul territory. Pino on the run, and he'll make the grab to opposite field in right. Sayer gets under it, makes the catch. Tapia tags up and comes home. The throw and quarterback, infielder and outfielder. There's a ground ball behind the back, grab from Truman. Underhand toss to first. Smacked on the ground, left side, picked up by Smith. Throw to second for one and on to first. The double play. 2-0. Ground ball, hot shot to short. It's fielded cleanly by Zimmerman. Throws across for out number 3, and there's your